Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. We are here in Murray from yesterday, and here you can see we are scarcely moving towards New Murray with Sir Muhammad Ali and Furqan Shah. And I am breathing heavily, you can see, because I am moving towards the mountain that is very high, and you can see the beautiful scenery of Murray here behind me. And this here you can see the long trees, and the road is, you can see here where you can watch, because the road is up and I am moving upward toward the mountain. Maybe I can fall because there are big stones behind me. So okay, I want to show you this beautiful scenery here, Murray the beautiful. And solemnly there is very silence, and the rest life is peaceful here, and very cold wind is blowing here. You cannot feel here, but I can feel, and I am moving upward. My face is not towards the real path, therefore I can fall. Okay, goodbye, thank you.